So for 30, we have, moreover, the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than those for physicians, and then it goes on. So right off the bat, the issue here is that we have the word those. Those refers to something plural, right? But the thing is that here we need a reference to the training period because it's the training period that's shorter for physicians, not PAs are shorter than physicians. So since we're referring to want to be referring to the training period here, we need something that's singular. Those isn't singular, so A is out. What about B and C? Okay, they both use that, so that's a reasonable option. We'll get back to that in just a second. D offers to just delete it as a whole, but would that make sense? We would then say the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than physicians. So we're saying that the training period is shorter than physicians. that also doesn't make sense, so we can already remove D. Okay, so we've got it down to B and C. We know that we need to use that, which will be singular. And here we have that compared with or that for. Our answer, well, let's read it with both. So we'll have the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than that compared with physicians. Basically, the issue there is that compared with adds a little bit of redundancy. What we mean is that if we're saying something is shorter than something else, that's sort of already, like by definition comparing the two. We don't need to say that this is shorter than that compared to that, right? We can just say this is shorter than that because that already sort of implies comparison, right? So with that, we pretty much boil it down to C, and that makes sense because we can say that markedly shorter than that for physicians, that referring to the training period. So C is our answer here.